Here we are going to discuss about the differences between the primary and the secondary market. The very first point is that primary market means it's a new issue of shares. That means when the companies are started first, they can issue their shares in the primary market. Then secondary market means it is considered with only existing shares, existing goods. That means which are already there in the market. Again, rebuying and repurchase and resale that will take place here. Next one, here in the primary market, the company sells directly its shares to the public. That means directly it can sell its shares to the public. But whereas in the secondary market, it is indirectly selling of shares and buying and shares and sold in the market, because here the company will not involve directly. Next here, primary market is the main source of capital formation. Here, when a companies are newly started, only they can acquire required capital through primary markets. But whereas secondary market is an indirect promotion of capital formation. That means here indirectly it will get the capital. Now, next one here, the fourth one, it is direct way of purchasing shares. Here directly you can buy the shares from the companies. But here the exchange of buying and selling of shares goes, that means it is not direct, indirectly. Next one, company management will decide the price of the shares in the primary market. Whereas in the secondary market, the price of shares are determined by the dividends performed by the company or the performance of the company or the demand and supply of shares in the market. Next, in the primary market, there is no specific marketplace. The primary market means anywhere you can find. There is no specific place where it works. But secondary market has a specific place. That means it is concentrated on specific areas only. There only the secondary market activities will take place.